Hello folks, it's Metalman8713 here today. How's everyone doing, and hope everyone's still safe as houses. Still safe as houses watching this. So, yeah. And anyway folks, as well, I'm here for the second type of these videos. And also, the last time I did a video like this with a pack of cards was 5 years ago when I gave a tutorial video on how to play a card game called 3s and 4s. Basically in the game you'd get either a set of three cards and a set of 4. So basically, for example, if for instance you got King, Queen, Jack of Spades, for instance, then that could count as a set of 3, for instance, or 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks of the same suit. Of the same suit, or of all the suits actually, and on also as well either and also number cards either going up or down in order of suits, or the same suit but with the same number. So yeah, right. Anyway, folks, I'm just going to put you all on the table because I'm going to show you how to play a card game called. Could quickly show you how to play a card game called Jacks, 2s and 8s. I don't know how to shuffle very well, so I'm just going to place it in between each other, basically. It's a very, very easy card game to play, actually. Basically, Jacks, 2s and 8s. The premise of the game is to get rid of all your cards, basically. So, yeah. So, first thing is shuffle the deck. And anyway, there isn't any players here with me, and this is just a demonstration, by the way, so I'm going to give myself 7 cards. And then put 1 card down there, and the deck on there, and yeah. And also, you would not normally show you place your cards in the game, but just for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you what I've got on there, which I need to get rid of. If you can see that pretty well. So yeah, that's what I need to get rid of. And also as well in the game, basically for the Jacks, 2s or the 8s, basically if you get a 2 card, basically that would mean you'd have to pick up 2 cards from the deck. If you get a Jack, you can change the suit to keeping it either the same or a different suit. Or if you get an 8, that means you miss a go, basically. And also when putting the cards down, you would normally have to either get the same suit or the same number or the same number, or king, queen or jack. Normally, if you have either one of those, you can put your cards down. So basically, to start off with, I'm going to start off with this one. I'm just going to put this 2 down anyway, so basically because it's a diamond, so that means I'm going to pick 2 cards up. And then, so now the 2's down, I can either put the 2 down or a card with diamonds down. So luckily, I've got 4 of diamonds I'm going to put down, and then now I'm going to put down this 6, then a 7, another 7 of spades, that latter one. Then a 4, and also, so now I don't have either, for instance, a 4 or a spade. So if you don't have one or the other on those cards, that would mean you'd have to pick a card up, basically, until you have it, basically. So yeah, luckily for me, I've got a 4 spade to put down, so I'm going to put that on there. And then I'm going to put down, since I've got these in my pile, you wouldn't really normally tell people what you would have in the pile. By the way, I'm going to put down the 5 of hearts down, 4 of hearts before that, 5 of hearts, then 6 of hearts. So I'm on my last card. I don't have a 3 or a clubs, so 3 of clubs. I'm just going to basically pick up cards again until basically. I would have one. Oh yes, I've got a 3 of spades on here, I can just put down. And then a king. So I put this jack down, it's changed to diamond, changed to diamonds. I'm going to change it back to spades. I have not got this again, so yep. Anyway, folks, and anyway, if you pick up cards again, you would normally do it when it's your go normally, but yeah. Anyway, I've got 6 of spades luckily, so I'm going to put that down, and a 6 of clubs, a couple of kings on here. Yep, club in and a wob in and a no in and a no. I've got king of hearts. Luckily I can get rid of the rest of my pile because I'm going to put down a queen of hearts, queen of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, and then finally I'm on my last card, 3 of clubs. So, yeah, there we go, there you have it. Anyway, so, yep, folks, that's the video, and also, that's how to play Jacks, 2s and 8s. Very, very easy game to play. So get your playing cards out and get right, and what have you. So yeah, but anyway, thank you very much for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check out the variety of different videos on my YouTube channel if you can, because as well, on this channel, unlike maybe many, as well, and I mean, content-wise, basically. So yeah, anyway, basically, because there's a whole huge variety of different YouTube videos on there to check out and because I try to do as much things as possible as I can, basically. So yeah, right, anyway, and don't forget also to check out my tutorial on how to play 3s and 4s if you're interested as well. So yeah, right, anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video again. Peace.